Are you looking for a unique travel experience that will satisfy your sweet tooth? Look no further as this video should inspire you to plan your own chocolate adventure in Punta Cana. And today we are at the Tiano Gifts. I booked this excursion and all my excursions with Punta Cana Adventures. And let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video. I paid my own money with all my excursions that I did there. But I really like the service, especially for somebody who is at solo traveling and who doesn't speak the language. They were very efficient and highly responsive. The payment for the class included both the master class and the transportation to and from the venue. And if you weren't staying at a hotel, they ensured that person staying at an Airbnb were picked up at a close by hotel or a central location. What I really liked about the class, it was very interactive and it didn't just start out with us just making chocolate. The instructor told us about the history of chocolate in the Dominican Republic. He told us the benefits of chocolate, and I definitely needed to hear that before even starting to eat how much chocolate I ate. We got to taste some cocoa without any additives, and then we got into the hot chocolate. And if it is that you know how Jamaican old school hot chocolate tastes, it tasted just like that. As I said, the class is fully interactive, so we got right into the activities, adding the bowl of roasted cocoa beans into this machine. And let me tell you, it was easier than it actually looked to get that paste. From the roasted cocoa, we got like this moist paste coming out of the machine, and don't mind how unsettling it looked. Just know that after we got the paste, we were required to make some chocolate balls with our hands, and we got really messy with it. But despite it looking unsettling at first, once you make the balls, once you wash your hands is left like extremely smooth. And guess what? After I finished making, we all finished making the balls, the instructor told us there was a prize for the person who made the best chocolate balls. Now I asked him like why he didn't tell us that. He was like, surprise. But anyways, tell me what you guys think about my finished products of my chocolate balls and if I deserved a prize for this.
It doesn't turn solid. So now, you won't get no extra fat on this one.
All the instructor needed to say for me to go for another dip in that chocolate. And if you think that's the only time you're going to be eating chocolate in this video, again, you are highly mistaken. Apart from eating chocolate, I think this was the most enjoyable part of the class for me, where we had to like mix it until it got to a certain, it was 28 degrees, we had to do it until, and the instructor came around with like a thermometer to see what temperature it was at. So I actually love this part so much. It was super fun, and we did this part before it actually went into the mold.
So it's quite easy to mold. Always hand. Scratch the extra.
So with me being at the front of the class, the instructor just used me to show the class how to, to demonstrate basically. And I did it myself. And I think I did a pretty good job in replicating how to mold the chocolate. It came out pretty good. It didn't overflow or anything like that. And after extra chocolate was left, and I didn't tell you guys how much I paid for the class as yet. So I paid $45 for the class. And mind you, for that price, I'm not letting anything go to waste, right? And it's dark chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate? So I did ask for a cup, and I did scoop up all that chocolate in that cup. If you go, I think you should do that as well. In regards to the duration of how long the class took, I went there at 1:40, and I know this because the timestamp on the first photo I took, and we left about 4:10. I don't know if that's 2 hours, or calculate the time for me, please. But the website did say 1 hour and 30 minutes. So for some section of the class, because the chocolate was supposed to go in the freezer for 20 minutes, we got a chance to just walk around the gift shop. And the gift shop is pretty big. They have a lot of souvenirs, a cigar room. They also have a cafe there. So for the 20 minutes, you really can do a lot of things. So now we're going back to the class for the demonstrator to announce the winner of the chocolate balls competition.
Okay, wait a second. I'm making the check. I have a gift away. I want to make a gift away. Okay. That was a smart game. You put all of them together so you'll be judged in a single one. But anyway, if one is bad in a couple, since you've been working in a couple. So, you know the winner.
That's all. I'm already in the
Happy honeymoon. And the winner is in this corner. The winner is in this corner. And the winner is her. Yes! Okay, shortly I'll be getting your gift. Okay. And now I have F and F again. So how you will be unmold those chocolate. First to unmold those chocolate, you're gonna take it like you squeeze them. Then you grab the paper, put it on top. Very gentle, a hand under, and flip it. No, you break them! That was too hard. No? Yeah, flip it. Having some results. What's your results?
Oh wow! Thank you.
So where you can enjoy your coffee.
Thanks.
So finally, I have one last word to say to you. Thank you so much. I hope